Welcome to my channel. In this video, I will share with you how to download the latest iPhone updates without installing them. So step one, go to settings. And from this, if you land on this general tab, it is good. If you land on this settings page, scroll down a little bit and click on general. Then click on software update. And here, as you see, automatic update, it is turned off. Click on it. And then next to automatically download, switch it on. And now you will automatically download latest iOS updates or iPhone updates without installing them. As you see, download only. And this is how to automatically download latest iPhone updates without installing them. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below and don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.